In this video, I will show you how to use Claude Sonnet to analyze stocks. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Then search for Claude AI and click on the official Anthropic website. Once the page loads, open the Claude interface where you will see a chat box to start a conversation. Next, type a structured prompt asking it to analyze a specific stock like Apple and include key details such as a company overview, fundamentals like revenue, profit, PE ratio, EPS, and debt, along with recent news impact, a simple technical trend analysis, risks, opportunities, and a final verdict. And also ask for a small table of key metrics. After sending the prompt, wait for Claude to generate a detailed and well-organized response. Carefully go through each section to understand the company's performance, especially focusing on risks and opportunities for a balanced view. And then use the final verdict for a quick summary, while the table helps you compare data easily. You can repeat the same process with any other stock ticker to analyze different companies in the same way. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.